everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys my Dollar Tree haul. Now, if you guys have watched, I did post a video recently where my basement flooded, and I was coming down here to film my Dollar Tree haul, and I found out that my basement is completely underwater. So my husband's on the phone right now. There's nothing we can do until I figure out an answer. So I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna film my Dollar Tree haul. So yeah, so you guys, it's crazy down here. So it's a sign that I need to get rid of stuff, which is okay, but I'm here to share with you guys what I got at the Dollar Tree. I finally went to the Dollar Tree where I found some really good stuff. I've been really into making projects lately, and I've been making videos for them, so I wanted to stock up on some more stuff. So I'm just going to show you guys everything I got. So Valentine's Day is coming, and Ben, I'm like, here, get some Valentines for your class, and he picked out these one things, and I'm like, okay, but I totally forgot we saw the Kool-Aid Man Valentines, and he's like, oh, I want these. So this is 12 cards and 12 lollipops, and it is the flavor grape. I don't know if these other come in different flavors. No, so just grape. So he got these for his school. I think there's like 26 kids in his class, and they come in 12. So I'm like, we got these. So these will be for his school, for his class, when it comes to be for Valentine's Day. I wanted to work on a little St. Patrick's Day project, DIY. I'm really into making more DIY videos for you guys. So I got this to do a little video, so I got that. Benjamin picked out a toy car.
That's me.
Let me show everybody. He picked out a toy car.
And then the ice cream truck.
A little ice cream truck, so I'm like, whatever. I ended up getting this. Now this is like a business card holder, but I got this because I've been really into hot gluing stuff lately, and my hot glue gun keeps tipping over every single time I use it. So I thought this would be something for my hot glue to just sit on it, and it was perfect for that. So I got that just for my hot glue gun. So yes. I was craving some, I love Valentine's Day candy. Like, I love cherries, I love fruit punch, I love all like red kind of candy. So I found these Airhead minis. These have the white mystery, strawberry, and cherry. I don't know if they have any other flavor, but these are like my favorite. And white mystery is probably grape or something, I don't know. But had to get these. There's like a lot in here. It says there's 12, but got these for myself, so I was pretty excited for that. I'm going to save all these bags because I don't need them. I ended up getting these things. I'm going to do a DIY with these. So I'm pretty excited to see what I can do with those. You guys will definitely want to check that out. I got a lot of picture frames, you guys. Like, this is stuff that I've been doing my DIYs with, and people are going crazy over this. And I was going to buy them online, but then you gotta pay like so much for shipping and handling, and I don't want that much because you have to buy like 24 of them when you buy them. So I got a ton of these like picture frames with the confetti inside. These are great shadow boxes for the flowers that I want to do, and then I want to do a couple other things. So when I found them, I got a bunch of them, so I got 5 of these. So I was pretty excited to use those for a project that I'm going to be working on. I have to hurry up and get this stuff off the floor before it gets all wet. I actually got some more picture frames, or more frames. These are the ones that say out of office or aim to inspire. These I use for another DIY that I got, so they're kind of something cool. I ended up getting just 4 of these because I do have a bunch, but as I see them, I get them because I want to make a lot of videos, you guys. I want to make a ton of videos to share with you guys with that. And then I also grabbed some more of these white signs. I still have a lot of them, but I wanted to just grab some more. But these are like relax and dream. I just take the writing right off the words, so I'm going to make some more DIYs with that. I ended up getting myself some animal crackers. Like, this is a big bag, you guys. I've never seen this bag at the Dollar Tree. I think like Target has this for like $2 or $2.50 or something like that. So love me some animal crackers, so I got that. My bags are all wet from the basement. Another craft project that I'm into are these transfer tape. It's adhesive covering, but I use this for like transfer tape for my Cricut vinyl stuff, which is kind of cool. I bought some stuff, it was like 15 bucks, but for this is for $1, and you get just as much for it. And it's so much cheaper doing it this, so I got that. I found this that I kind of wanted. Like, they had tons of colors that I wanted, but I just wanted one. because that's what I wanted. But I ended up getting this cool little Canon Votto Folder, and it's the mermaid's tail, and I love it.
I even got some SpongeBob cards.
Yeah. So this is my favorite one. They had like an orange and green one or a yellow and green one, but I just like this one. I didn't want to go crazy. I'm trying to, you know, not buy stuff that I don't need, but I thought this is very pretty, and I wanted just to get that. And then I also got this cereal. I have yet to try the cereal. Ben and I have been wanting to try it, but this is the Drumsticks Mint Chocolate. I can't remember if we've had the drumstick ones before or not. I can't remember, but I ended up getting this. Sorry, my whole family's down in the basement right now. But I ended up getting this to just try. So why not? And I love mint ice cream, so had to go ahead and get that. And then the last thing I got, you guys, is I got some mermaid plates. I've never seen these before, and I was debating if I wanted to do a mermaid or a unicorn birthday party for Charlotte, because her birthday's coming up in like 4 months, and I like to, you know, buy ahead. But I'm like, you know what, I want to do a mermaid thing. Like, the mermaid thing is in right now, and it might not be in next year, you know, you never know. So I am going full on crazy for her first birthday. So I got these mermaid plates. I thought these are super cool. There's 18 in here. We are not sure how many people are coming to her birthday party, and these are the first time that I've seen these. So I got 3 packs of the bigger plates, and then I ended up getting 2 packs of the smaller plates for like the cake, and there's 20 of them in here. So I thought that was super cool. And then they also had napkins, which I probably could have gotten more, but these are so cool, you guys. So got the napkins, and there's 20 of them in here. So that was everything that I got. You know, it wasn't a big haul, but you know what, I haven't done a Dollar Tree haul for you guys at all, so I definitely wanted to share with you guys on that. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye bye.